kitchen. Today we're going to be making some buffalo chicken drumsticks. I was going to do wings, went to the grocery store, they had none. Go figure, it's the day before New Year's Eve, so I think everyone's got the same idea. That's okay, more meat on the drumstick. That's cool by me. So we're going to be smoking these things, and we've done this video a little differently. We're going point of view with a bird's eye view of what we're doing. We'll walk you through it, there'll be notes on the screen, and I hope you enjoy this new method. Yeah.
Start with 1/4 cup butter. Next, add 2 tablespoons of flour and make a roux. Now add Frank's Red Hot. Now we're going to add 2 sweet red peppers. Add a 1/4 cup buttermilk. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. And the juice of half an orange. Dice up 2 Fresno peppers. And add it to the sauce. Then add a little salt and pepper. And add it all to a blender. Once completely blended, your sauce is ready. We're going to blend this up a little bit more to break down those last little bits. If you have a Vitamix, that is the perfect tool to use. This sauce will be coating our drumsticks about halfway through the cook. For the last 30 minutes to 1 hour, we'll be putting these on the smoker with the sauce on them. The sauce will then turn into a glaze and coat the chicken beautifully. Now for the chicken. We're using chicken drumsticks here. The kids love them. We're going to make a simple dry rub using roughly 3 tablespoons of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup paprika. Toss in chicken and mix around. The chicken's drumsticks are ready once they're completely coated. We are now going to put these on the smoker. We're going to smoke them at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Now simply dip them in. After roughly 2 hours on the smoker, these things are done. They reached an internal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and we pulled them. How beautiful are those?
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below whether you like this point of view angle better than what we have been doing, and I will do what you guys want. So let me know. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Hope you have a wonderful New Year's. It's going to look a little different this year. You got the ones closest to you, and that is special. So eat lots of food, have a couple of drinks, and just have a great time. Have a wonderful evening, and a happy New Year. God bless.